Thistle sang. O comrades, o green, creep sleek it, atween hazel raw birk and burnt out busto, keeking out frae our blades. We are the fuse o' the glore, where the spreets o' your haw were waters willow wisp. Them poor that fuels the weena leaves, yon purple flower, purple skimmer among middens, gibbering with the youden drift, the dreek, the wind. Oft have bluter loons breenged the eras, but's been 100 years syne ony pished folk gouched doon and spak a take with us in our moonlicht gloaming, or even thought aught about the philosophies we screeve, or maybe all the winners left the Clonjaffrey of this drookit patch. Come awa ben our conspiracies a green, atwixt silver scalped loch wi' bloom, where the stramash at the fit of the old postbox, or stobs arming your paths, toury seed heeds shuggling in the snell blast, barbing your gardens, our roots clotting your yard, verdant, smedum, emblem of all Scots, we loch so we day at our repute. See ourselves clarting the wares of your shops, tattooed on your calidosh, poor Hugh, tumbling his wilkies he is, in his grave to see the state of the tongues and the heeds of this country. We mind when yous had bottle. Wha hinks the fisherman cares aught for the haddock? Who actual gets the keys to the rain chains and swallows them, then cries the boat. We've watched the century burrow through skinkling starns, the world's dying nicht jig, a ween o' changes spend time's eld whirligig. Ye fucked it, and now you're seething, yet something's keething in each tumult terror, like yon wee speeder that spintley's shanks ben called hair's nicked, to weave another hame like a bicycle kick, the lightning that hits a ball as it flits, the neighbours who stop the banishment of a Scot who just happens to have been born out with. Whenever you're ready to gape big licks, here will grow gallus, all blinter and chibs.